credit card, sana may ibang options, for example. Or number 4, which I think is where you're good at. Anong number 1 response lagi ng customer why they prefer Toyota? Because the after sales is always the best reason for it to go. The spare parts, walang spill na, ma'am, sorry po ang spare parts po nasa ibang bansa pa. Maghihintay po kayo ng 2 years. Right? That's not what we do in Toyota. In Toyota, you get it fast. That's why the after-sales value is also high. And that is what you need to keep on doing as well. So after sales, down to the questions such as, pwede ba kita makontak if magkaroon ako ng issue? Right? Or sino ba nga hanapin ko? Pupunta lang ba ako sa branch? I'll give an example. Sinabi ko ito kay Javin kanina. 4 na buwan na po akong naghahanap ng Super Grandia. Wala po makapagbigay sa amin sa Quezon Avenue. Sa buong Quezon City branch. No one got back to us. I wish someone did. Right? Of course, I'm not the only customer in the world, but I'd like to believe that superior customer experience is what makes the customer keep on going back and keep on referring you to others. These things are essential elements of what makes you and continues to help you be number 1. Please do not forget that.